This is Ajvar, famous Serbian food. It's very popular in Serbia. Some people call it Serbian caviar. It's rich, it's smooth, and it's packed with flavors. It's a spread made of roasted red peppers. Sometimes we put eggplant and garlic and oil. You can use it as a spread, dip, side dish. In Serbia in September, everything smells like roasted red peppers. It's the Ajvar making season. Definitely it's a social event because you have a lot of friends, neighbors over, and they all help you to roast red peppers, then to peel them, grind them, and then to cook them. Some families use a couple of 100 pounds of red peppers. It's like a last summer kept in a jar.
First wash and dry the peppers. Arrange the peppers on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, including eggplants cut into halves, and bake them until they are soft and the skin is blackened for 45-50 minutes. For Ajvar, you need red meaty peppers. If you live in the United States, try to find Red Bull's horn peppers at your farmer's market. If you can't find them, use regular red bell peppers. The best way is to grill the peppers, if possible. It will bring a nice smoky flavor. When they are roasted, transfer the peppers and eggplant halves to a large bowl. Cover with the aluminum foil and let sit until cool enough to handle for 2 to 3 hours. Once cooled, peel the peppers, remove the core and the seeds, and do the same with the eggplants. Drain excess liquid from the vegetable and grind them in a meat grinder. Or, if you like chunkier Ajvar, as I do, chop the vegetable with a hand. Add the finely chopped garlic and vegetable oil to the ground pepper and eggplant and move the pot to the stove. Cook Ajvar on low heat for at least 1 hour. You have to be next to the stove all the time. Constant stirring of Ajvar is very important. At the end of cooking, add salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Fill the sterilized jars with hot Ajvar, making sure it is tightly packed. Put the jars with Ajvar in the oven for 30 minutes until the crust has formed on top. Store Ajvar in a cold and dark place or in a fridge. Serve Ajvar with grilled meat such as pljeskavica, a Serbian hamburger, and cevapcici, feta cheese, and savory pastry.
Let's try.